Hey y'all, it's your girl Tiana Like Gonna Be Me, and I am coming back at you with another cooking video. Today I'm gonna be making me some shrimp and grits. Yes, I'm gonna be making me some shrimp and grits, and I'm gonna be making me a salad on the side, but y'all ain't gonna see the salad. I'm just gonna show y'all how I do my shrimp, and the grits is already done. So if you see some steam coming up right here in the bag, that's just some eggs I'm boiling for my salad. I know that's a weird combination, but I just have a taste for some salad. So I fried up me some bacon to go on the dish with my shrimp and grits. So y'all, let's just get started on with that. First of all, I want to say welcome to all my new subscribers and welcome back to all my old subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, go over to my channel, or if you like this video, then you subscribe. When you go over to my channel, if you like the video, then you subscribe. Okay, so y'all, let's get started. I got some bacon grease that I've just finished cooking up my bacon in or whatever. I got all the bits and everything still in that pan. I have washed my shrimp. They already peeled in the vein and thawed out, and so I have washed my shrimp and everything. So what I'm gonna do is, to this pan with all that bacon, let me turn it down on medium. I have me some green onions. I'm just gonna add to this, and they are frozen. I cut them up and I freeze them. So I'm gonna add just some green onions to this. Okay, so I'm gonna get these thawed out just a little bit, and then I'm gonna go straight in with my shrimp. So how have you guys been? I hope you is enjoying my videos. Sorry y'all didn't get a Sunday dinner video, but I'm gonna try to figure out which one of my videos I want to put up for Sunday for y'all, because Sunday I didn't cook anything, you know, so I went out to eat, so you know that's why y'all didn't get no full Sunday dinner. But you know, I got me a little break or whatever, so I didn't have to cook. Okay, I'm just trying to get y'all angle right. And these are just about thawed out. Yes. This is going to be so good, y'all. Quick and simple lunch for me. I haven't eaten all day, and it's almost 5 o'clock. Okay? So, now I'm going to take these shrimp, and I'm going to just add it to my pan. Okay, so y'all know shrimp cook fast, so we're gonna go ahead on, hurry up and get this onion powder on them. And I'm adding about not even a whole teaspoon, maybe not even a half of a teaspoon of each one of these seasonings. Okay, maybe a fourth of a teaspoon. That sounds better. Okay, so that was some Obey, and then I have some steak seasoning. I know it's a steak, but y'all, I just like this seasoning, and it have all different kind of stuff in it that I like. So I'm adding just a little bit of this. Okay, and I'm just gonna get all this mixed up together. Y'all, this is gonna be so delicious. Got to cook down in that bacon. Ooh, that bacon fat. Yes. I'll turn my heat up just a little bit. A lot. So I got my grits right here already cooked, honey. I throw them things in that microwave and I cook them up real nicely. So if y'all can see, y'all look at that. All those seasonings and these shrimp just, ooh, they just look good, y'all. Look at that. Okay. So yeah, that steak seasoning, it has garlic and what else is in here? Garlic, coarse salt, black pepper, red pepper, onion, sunflower oil, and natural flavors and extractor. So these up just a little bit. I'm in about a few more, probably about, give it about another minute, and then I'm about to take them off. So I'm just adding me some cheese to these grits, honey. Y'all look at them grits. I put them in the microwave. I'm hungry. Ooh. Don't cook them too long, because then they'll be like rubber, but I just want to taste one of them, y'all. Y'all, that is so delicious. And it's tender too. Okay. And so now I'm about to add a little parsley to it. And that's it, just a little bit. Okay, so these are done. I'm just gonna turn it off. And now I'm about to start plating this up for y'all so y'all can see how it's gonna look. So, it's okay for it to sit down. Stir these in some more. Get them grits down in that bowl. That looks so good. Okay. Y'all look at that shrimp. Y'all see that? All that seasoning. Everything is on them. I'm getting some of these onions off this spoon. Some of that seasoning. Hold on, y'all. I know you can't see, but trying to get you in there. Then I'm gonna take some of this bacon and crumble it up on top. Y'all, that is the shrimp. And grits. Hold on. Y'all see that? It looks so good. And if you need an extra color, just hit it like that and bam. So y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all try this recipe. Very, very simple and very quick. Until next time, this your girl Tiana. I can only be me. Y'all have a blessed day, blessed week, blessed night. Peace and love always.